You join us today in one of our paint booths for an update on the Mercedes-Benz 190SL right-hand drive barn find project. When you last saw this car, we were just beginning the strip down process. That's now complete. The team have completed the basic metal repairs. Due to this car's condition, there were very little to be completed. We've now prepared the car for primer and we're ready for the paint process. We start with the underside of the car, work to the cockpit, the engine bay and the boot before mounting the car back to its subframes, weighting it, gapping it and doing the all-important exterior paintwork. The customer has chosen this colour specifically, a period Mercedes-Benz 190SL colour, DB396 Metal Blue, which is a beautiful light blue metallic. Andy, our painter, has just finalised the underside of this 190SL after hours of hard work. It's at this stage the team and I start to get really excited as we see the car come together and realise the customer's vision. We'll now get the car out the booth and back into the workshop, and we'll update you when we come back into the booth for the next phase of the paintwork.